habagi samla pule ka than ki wan sakhamat ha ki jing pule ki nongilam ki badon ki mensem bandang kentiu susu ya ka mensem jong ki samla bandang beteng ban le bha ha ki kerdan ki bakham salor kanang penlong ki weipat ki badang don hak lenti bandang penkre ye ki jing pule paper bakin nang yo mensem nagapor sakapor le ju penlong ye ki jing kendo nak bantaban ai kusnam ye ki samla ki bapas bha ha ki jing pule jongki ka NPP Jirang Block Committee Haka Jingiadonlang bat UMLA ka than uba sos thana sotun uba deru Myntri Sorkar kilpenlong ye jingi kendu bat Samla pule ki bapas bha haka SSLC arjar pesan bat Pynkupburom ye ki kini Samla pule ki badan haka tika than ki bapas bha haka ne jing penmi result jong ka embos menta ka snam ki lapalat ia ka chis pangut haka baba sos thana sotun ulai donlang haka ne sngi kumukongsan kabalalong haka Jingiadonlang jong ki nongilam ketika than ki bakenthop yang kekong E Mawa kepada Principal Bathymmai Model Degree College, SK Tiwari kepada Principal Jirang Government High Secondary School, uba Balawan Simyong kepada Secretary ke NPP Jirang Block, Samla Alfred Doloy kepada Dukot ke Felicitation Committee, uba Petalman Tangkiu kepada Sordar ke Bathymmai, lembat ki kimi ki kepa jong ki kena pulih. Susu hangene kesngi la airu ia ke jing Pynkupburom ke bakham kerpang, ia ke Samla Safilia Walang. Kabawan balai na pedeng ki top 10 Haka Arts Stream nang tai ke Samla riban si jamu kabalayo ban mi khmat nagari India Haka jingi lekai football badru sya uba esman lengdo ubala syakri yak shenong kensir kumu sordar hadu arpsan teli kisnem.
It's a sign of gratitude for your hard work. Henry kabang khmatan galay mapi bapinstan ya galantia ke jodi kajoni ke jodi kembong hati nongwe galantia ke jodi galande ke jingstan menta hakaba pide gendu sipun ki jinge pide gendu sipun kita di Haka jingim ke jumpi kapala rapi bakla banjir kalaban dan spoil ya karya ke jumpi students baro boys and girls kali kita kesni keba hiyo management na interest of the jumpi Aga ke interest of the jumpi kanong ke jimentoy ke jingkemen kanong ke jimentoy na kamenta jumpi bat ke jingkemen na kamenta kaya kesem ke jumpi kan mau bagi kemeki pa ke jumpi interest of na kamenta jumpi hidon ikim nong hikai kibakit kian nong ta jombi ban gai jepi ban hikai jepi bapit Bhoi syakini katong barobor pilibelong kibadon agor kibadon burong kejuk ke bamata kali kejuk ke kame atau kata-kata Bunsin kajumi kajian lalong hagi Shillong itau lagalong hagi nuk ikin hun jumi kajian baka bo keburom hakini kejuk ke pemerintah kalaja depan revive dia dari ban penwantur dia Kesyong hanapi Kesyong hani paro iwe bagi dia mentip dia ke abor keburom ban burom di pa di burom di kai na kementara ke jingtres dong ke jungkiru bujung
ngakin mau yung way ulim crown u president jong kari Amerika wa Abraham Lincoln ude wan na talo yung nongsan bado upa jong ude tang nong su juti but Undan bisa banci God boleh yem. Tenrai uhap banyai bun miles. Ban Bhoi syar jaga ban boleh God. Nam tharai lagi kena jongi, kini kena asul di jongi. Lagi hap banyai bun kilometer. Nam tharai kini nilai ban boleh God. Tenrai Abraham Lincoln bun mile uhap banyai ikjat. Ban yok ban boleh God. But manawala ban mudur. Bau neu beliau bawa nak longing langsung berduk. Ubangdan bisa mencit ikat. Henry Long Presiden berkerau jong keri Amerika. Lapi rit boy lapi tua. Jar lapi berdiam. Orang lebih melakukan syaka kendang bakenam. Watching ladai bentur naga dingga kesnam. Henry boy kang ibu bersyukur. Syaka clear lum jong kenam. Undang sunandala uang. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. You can change the world. But ngaki bok, mapinong iklur ki banteng shay. Nagamta kadong katay, amtang nang kadong katay. Henry nagamta kari bagajay henry. Yaka spa, yaka phun, yaka Jirang jigam, yaka ksiar, yaka rupa, jom pila abantu lagi beri. Bentalai ke percaya ke senior. Pada ibu ada sendok, kalau kano, kasep, kalau kano, henry ibu tidak nak bentuk, ya kan? Pada ibu yang dia bisa dia account jongin untuk ibu diskam mo, ibalah bentuk. Henry ya kerja start, kalau pipidan, amdan balak bentuk, lanu. Nama kata, I mau kerja start kalau pipidan, pilong iklur, kibat tension, nagawai kapor, syagawai pat kapor, pilong kerja untoy. Nak menjaga hidup saya menjadi kikri kita menjadi nak menjaga dong ketai, but keri berjaya.
There are so many students. They are the bright students. That all these prize that you got today, the recognition. There are so many bright students in this area of the Bathymmai. And when I joined this college, I was so happy that to see the environment of this Bathymmai, the area, the valley fields, the hills, and on the top of the hills, there lies the Bathymmai Model Degree College. So I'm very proud of that, and I hope that when you pass out from here, you will support the college. It is a blessing that we get the college here in Bathymmai. It is a blessing for our youths. It is the blessing of all the students here in Bathymmai and the nearby areas of the Bhoi district. So I hope that you are the torch bearer to your juniors, to your neighbors. You are the pride to your parents, to your teachers, to your school. And I hope that you will continue to work hard and reach the goal of your destination. It appears that you are not less, but you are capable and competent enough at par with the other students in the states, in the country, or you may be one day the future citizens of the country as a whole. You are still young and energetic, and you are enthusiastic in life. So push up yourself towards your destiny.
As I stand before you today to receive the SSLC award, this day is truly special to all of us, and I feel deeply humbled and honored to be recognized in the presence of such distinguished personalities. First and foremost, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our respected MLA sir. Your encouragement and support for students like me inspired us to dream bigger and to reach higher. By recognizing our achievement, you motivate us to strive for excellence and to become responsible citizens of tomorrow. I wish my extensive thanks to the MVP Jirang committee for organizing this wonderful program. By bringing together students, teachers and community leaders, You are fostering a spirit of unity, motivation, and positive change. Give me the strength and confidence to pursue my goals. To my fellow students, let us remember that this award is not just a recognition of individual achievement. It is a reminder that with hard work, determination, and the right support, we can overcome our challenge and reach our dreams. Once again, thank you to our FLA, our teachers, parents, and the young of our community for the encouragement and blessings. I promise to continue working hard to live up to your expectation and to do my best to contribute positively to society. Thank you to you all for this honor and being a part of this memorable occasion.
Pidon kam nong shondur ne nong ringdur hakijing kawai jongpi ne kijing kendu sa kan mau jongpi phun shengi ngin pele mangi katkum kajing kwa jongpi kador gababit la kadai mansi ne menmir pranyo lai ariwei sau iwei Pidon kam projector ban peni film ne pidon kam projector nak bentai ki awareness program jongpi phun shengi ni ai wai shapi pranyo lai iwei kendai hendru iwei arnyo lai